Hi, I'm Andrew Potocznik. Welcome to the 1 Minute Woodturner. Beads are an essential part of spindle turning. How do you go about making one? I'll show you. To begin with, I use a parting tool to cut wood down on either side of what will be the bead. I can actually use the parting tool to begin to create the shape itself. Or I can go to the beading tool, which is like a wide parting tool, and I can continue to form my bead. I can also use a skew, which is the more traditional method, and in this case I'm using the long point, which enables me to get right to the base. And another tool that I find is quite good for doing beads is a SkewChigouge. It's easy to roll because of the round shaft, and you can get a nice simple action going. So there's how you can go about making a bead. If you want more information, click on the links below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.